hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Yeah, bless up people, big up on yourself, man. I don't know what's a NEWLINK there from NEWLINK Production. Coming to you with another one. With my people, right about now, people, what we are going to say? Happy Father's Day to all the fathers them out there. You understand? And we could have let Father's Day pass without even put up a little video, put up a vlog or something. You get me? I say, so today is Father's Day, and to the real father, there's them out there who play them role of a father, who will be there for them kids, support them kids. You don't know NEWLINK, I say, happy Father's Day to you all. You see, for the father them when are good, when they do nothing for them youth, a straight attack phone. They don't know the thing. Well, people, here we go on. What I really come to talk about today is a great thing about Jamaica. Beautiful things. Because right now, people, you understand, since 20 years now, no mango at all no ship to the US from Jamaica, people. But Thursday gone. You understand, people? Since 20 years in a Thursday gone, the first shipment of mango leave Jamaica, and them say over 12,000 pounds of mango has leave Jamaica and is now in the USA. You understand? For businesses. So these mango farmers in Jamaica are smiling now, they are happy, and them say the first of the mango to leave Jamaica was Jolie mango and East Indian mangoes. And everybody don't know it's Jolie mango, East Indian mango. Oh my God, they mango they sweet, they mango they nice. You get me, as a people? So right about now, it's a good look, it's a great look for Jamaica. And I have so much thousands of Jamaicans who resides in the United States of America. You don't know, so them did it, and them would like forget some of them real Jamaican mango and eat. Well, now since 20 years, it is there now, so it's a great feeling. And them say right now, people, what the Minister of Agriculture said, and them say right now, what them are going to do now, every week, you're going to have maybe 2 shipment or 1 shipment of mango that will leave the island for the United States. And this will goes on to the end of mango season in late July 2019. So it's a good look, it's a great look, and what them might encourage many Jamaicans to do, if them can go in at the mango field, you understand, and do the mango planting. Because you don't know, say, you know, the Jolie mango and the East Indian mangoes, you have some plants you can get where can grow very fast, and there will be plenty mangoes on them. So you don't know how that can turn around for you, how the income go. Well, people, they haven't disclosed how much money these mango farmers been paid per pounds or how them do them thing, I understand, but in the end you don't know, so them all get some money, you know what I mean, people, and it's a good look. I went down to Westmoreland one of the time, people, and there was so much mangoes down there, the Jolie and East Indian mangoes. The mango them down there, like over the country part, they have stringy mango and black mango. I said there's so much Jolie and East Indian done by the West people, like a common mango, you understand, so it's a good look. It's a great look, and you know what I mean, we love to see when the government them do something so the farmers them can benefit. Whether you are that the vegetarian farmer, you are fruit farmer, or anything, it's a good look. So we love that, people. Since 20 years now, it's a good look. 20 years a whole heap of time, you know, people. It's not a look a bit of time that, you know. Well, you don't know anything of people. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and we are say, yo, again, big up to the fathers them. It's Fathers Day, people. I don't know, man, whether you're still a whole it giving thanks for life as usual and keep it going same way, people, you know what I mean? And every day, people, it's just a blessing. Every day we give your thanks, you know what I mean? Happy Sundays again to everybody. What my name say, happy Sunday. Well, happy Sunday to you all. And you are going to know, people, please subscribe to the channel, you understand? Share the link, them one. Yeah? If you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so now, and hit that notification bell icon down there below the video, right there. Yeah, so as NEWLINK upload a video, you will get it, people. NEWLINK coming bigger and better, and don't know, so things soon be fulfilled. It's a great look, things is going great, and anybody will reach out to the YouTube team on Twitter, big up on ourselves same way, because we get a response on them, so we're just in the pipeline now, and we have people, enough love, enough response, so don't know the thing go. Appreciate you all, man. You don't know, people, for support the channel or contribute, the PayPal link is right below, so you can just do that. You get me, I say, remember, NEWLINK Kid Street, September 2019. Again, big up the mango farmers them out there. All of the mango farmers them out there, big up on yourself, and you don't know, it's a good look, Jamaica, it's a great look, and we want to see Jamaica go out on the map. And remember this now, people, you see when one mango reach to a Jamaican over there, maybe somebody who is not a Jamaican, you see Jamaican eat and say, wow, I want to try that. You understand? And he comes, boom, now, are you going to try my mango? And you just spare a piece of the mango and say, hey, here's my mango. And he eat the mango and say, wow, this mango tastes so good. Where this mango come from? And he say, yo, this mango is right from down in Jamaica, you know. I tell people, it's a good look. And they say, wow, I want to take a trip down to Jamaica because I want to get so much of this mango. And then I go fly go down to Jamaica just for the good mango. So it's a good look. The same look of mango go over there, can bring in tourists to our country, and it's a good look, people. So you don't know anything, people. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And me say what? Attack. Blessing people. Enough love, enough respect. Peace. I'm out. Big up.
Attack. What them a go do, you know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.